Hey guys, welcome to another plugin tutorial, and today it's on Citizens. So this has been requested by lots of subscribers and I'm here today to show you how to use it. So if you don't know what it is, it's a plugin which allows you to create these really awesome NPCs with coloured name tags. They can talk to you, they can run about, you can mount them and drive them, and lots of other things as well. So I'm going to show you how to use it in the video today. So first of all, I am using a snapshot build from Jenkins. I'll leave a link to Jenkins, the website. I would suggest getting it from here, so it works with 1.8.3. That's what I'm using if anyone's wondering. And yeah, let's go ahead and start with the basic command, which is NPC create. And what we're going to want to do now is name it something. So we're going to use color codes, which is really cool, and we're going to call it tutorial because we're boring. And that would spawn a normal skin with the name tag. But we can change the animal by doing hyphen type afterwards, followed by the animal name, such as a cow. And you can also make it a particular type of cow, such as a baby, by doing hyphen b, and that will spawn a little cow. Ah, isn't it nice? Or if you didn't want that, you could spawn one next to it without the b, and that'd be a full size. And the cool thing is you can have two different NPCs with the same name, because if I do NPC list, another useful command, it gives them an ID rather than taking their actual name, which is really cool. So as you can see here, I've got one called Aaron, but he is not around here, and what we can do, we can actually teleport them to here. So if I grab my coordinates, there they are, we can do NPC select 3, which selects Aaron. He's far away at the moment. And we can go NPC move to, and then the X, Y, and Z coordinates. So minus 308, 4, and minus 521. And he will teleport here. Here he is. Very, very nice. And then we can do NPC remove, and the NPC that is selected will be removed from the game. And if I select Brian over here by doing NPC select, while looking at him, he will be selected. And if we want to mount him, we need to do NPC mount. However, we need to make him controllable first by doing NPC controllable, like that. And then we can either right click him to mount him, or do NPC mount, the command, and then we can drive him about like a car. Very, very nice. Although he keeps spamming in chat, so we're going to remove him for now, like that. And if I hop over the fence, we can see Zephos from the Yogscast having a look runabout. Isn't that nice? And we can make any of these do that. Let's take the pig. So NPC select. It's going to select Piggy, and we are going to set some waypoints for him. So first of all, we're going to move him over here. NPC move here. TPP here. That is the command. There we go. So you can teleport him here like that. So to set up the path, we need to do NPC path, very simple command, and then we can left click where we want the pig to go, and he will follow all the points and run about in circles for an infinite amount of time. So while he's doing that, we can right click to remove a particular waypoint, and if we do toggle path with a space in the middle, we will see these eye vendors, and that will show us where the waypoints are and obviously where he's going. So if you right click, it will remove the latest one. So like this, it will go round and remove them. So if we do that again, it will hide them again, and we can obviously clear them if we wanted to. And to exit the editor, you need to do the same command again, like that. So the next thing is about mobs sort of falling down. So if we go ahead and teleport him over here and then break these blocks, we will see that he will fall to the next level. But if we don't want that, we can do NPC gravity, and that will disable gravity, and therefore he will just be floating like that. Amazing. It's a miracle. So if you remember earlier, we had that villager talking to us, and the way to do that is doing NPC text, and this will open up the editor. So first of all, let's go ahead and add some text for him to say. So you can use color codes, you type add in chat, and then once you've hit enter, you add whatever you want. So you can do this multiple times. So add, and then the text you want, and then add, and obviously you can do this as many times as you want. So now that you've done that, you can do edit, and this will show you the index of everything you've written, and you can remove them if you want to. So if I get rid of that and do close, when we go near him, he will actually say something. So let's go back a bit, and hopefully he will say something else. If we go over here, he should say, there we go, so like that. Now if we do random talking is set to false or true, so whether you want him to keep talking or not. That's pretty cool. And you can also change the range, that's very useful. So within 5 blocks, if we go there, he will obviously say something. There we go. So that is most things. You can obviously do it with an item as well. I haven't seen this before. When I used to use citizens on my server, I never knew about the item in the hand. So if you had an RPG server, that'd be pretty cool. If you got on a quest, had to get maybe an iron axe, and then when you held it to him, he said something, which is really interesting. I didn't know about that. And then help, that shows it again. So yeah, that is how you do that. You can also do NPC and then text to remove the editor as well, or exit. There are a few more things that I need to show you. So if we go over here and, for example, select this guy, if we do NPC and then select, we'll select tutorial, and what we're going to do, we're going to change his type to oh, what's a mob? Zombie maybe? Yeah, that'll do. Actually villager. Villager's better, because then we can actually change its profession by doing NPC profession and then like blacksmith or farmer or priest. You can choose any of these and they will change the skin, which is really cool. Another cool command is NPC look. So when you run around him, he will look at you. That's pretty nice. I like the way that works. And you can obviously do that for any NPC you have. Select and then NPC look like this. Now if I grab some weapons and armor and select Zephos as he's running around, so NPC select, come on, there we go. We can do NPC equip, and this will allow us to right click him and give him whatever's in our hands, which is really cool. So he's put that on, and let's get some more trousers because he seems to have hidden them, and there we go. Very cool. If you had the sentry plugin, which hooks into citizens, you could make him attack mobs when you went near them. So I might do a tutorial on that as well soon. And obviously you can exit the editor, NPC equip, and that should get rid of it. There we go. So it has. I'm just going to quickly check the wiki to make sure I've covered the main things. There is a lot more addition plugins that you can get, which adds like shops and stuff. I think I've done tutorials on them already, so you can look that up if you want to. And yeah, that's everything, I believe. If we do NPC create skeleton hyphen type skeleton, we can actually change it to maybe a wither. So if we do NPC skeleton type, I believe it's the command, and then wither in capitals, it will turn into a wither skeleton. And we might be able to give him a weapon or something. I don't think we'll be able to give him armor. So weapon, we can give him armor. Interesting. Wow. I didn't realize you could do that. That's crazy. Very nice. That'd be quite scary meeting something like this. And obviously NPC look, and he can look about. Yes, that's what I meant. So yeah, that's Citizens. Download the correct version in the description. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.